Hello team, welcome back. Welcome to the Kubernetes training. Today we are going to kick off a new training on Kubernetes. In this lecture, we will discuss about this particular training. We will discuss what we are going to cover in the Kubernetes training, what is going to be the roadmap of the Kubernetes training. So let's start with. Very first, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Anshul Chauhan and I will be your instructor on this particular course. I have a great industry experience on DevOps and automation field. Currently, I am working as a cloud automation DevOps professional in a multinational organization in India. Now let's move to the training part and we will see what we are going to cover in this particular Kubernetes training and in which sequence we will cover the topic. In the Kubernetes, we will start with the Kubernetes basics. We will learn about the architecture of the Kubernetes. Then we will move on and we will see the kubes advanced. Right here I'm mentioning the Kubernetes short form or abbreviation like a kubes so that I can save the space. Once we will done with the Kubernetes basics, we will learn about the Kubernetes advanced. In the Kubernetes advanced, we will see the complete architecture and the application of the Kubernetes. After this, in the next section, we will learn about the Kubernetes administration. We will see how we can manage the Kubernetes from the GUI, what are the applications we have in the Kubernetes, and how we can manage the complete Docker orchestration with the help of the Kubernetes. After this, we will move on and we will see how we can package and deploy complete application with the help of the Kubernetes. In the next section, we will learn about the Kubernetes serverless and stateless deployment. And in last, we will learn about the kube ADM with the help of the Kubernetes. So team, all the topics which I have mentioned in this particular slides, they all are going to be the section in this particular course, and a single section will have more than 5 lectures in itself. So this particular course is going to be 20 to 25 hours long, and I believe after complete this particular course, you would be able to deploy your complete application inside the containers and manage your containers with the help of the Docker Swarm or the Kubernetes. This course will also help you to understand the life cycle of the DevOps engineer. So this is going to be the roadmap of this particular course. Now let's have some word about the objective of this particular course. So after this course, you would be able to understand, deploy, use and manage the Docker containers completely. We will discuss about the Docker containers from the scratch to advanced level. If you need any help during the course, then you can ask your question inside the separate question and answer forum. You would be able to understand and deploy the containers on the production with the help of the Docker Swarm. You would be able to use the Kubernetes on the production as well. We will see how Kubernetes will help us to containerize the application and how Kubernetes help us to orchestration of the containers. We will see how we can create the stateless and the stateful application with the help of the Kubernetes. We will also learn the administrator feature of the Kubernetes. And in last, we will see how we can package and deploy the application with the help of Helm and the Kubernetes in the production. So team, this is going to be the complete course. You can enroll this particular course, and if you don't like the course, we have the 30-day refund policy. So you can ask your refund anytime. So thank you team, thanks for your time, happy learning.